adults, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to combine using the start on tap block and the move blocks.
The story behind this project is that Kitten is playing outside and the weather's getting stormy and we want Kit to run and get shelter. So let's start by changing the background. We're going to choose the woods background and then select that. So we've got Kitten now in the woods. Let's move Kitten down a little bit. Next, what we want to do is select a new character that is the actual storm cloud. So there we go. Let's select the storm cloud and press the tick, and there it is. So we're going to start by moving the storm cloud this way. And what we want the storm cloud to do is move across the screen and start to rain on top of Kitten. So let's code the storm cloud first. We've selected the storm cloud to code it. First, we go to the yellow category and select the green flag. Next, what we want to do is go to the blue category and select the movement block to move the storm cloud to the right of the screen. Then we want the program to end. Let's turn the grid on so we can see how far we want the storm cloud to go. So the storm cloud is currently at 3 on the horizontal axis. Kitten is at 10. So let's get the storm cloud to move 7. So we click on the number 1. That opens up the number pad and we can change that to a 7. Because 7 plus 3 is 10. And that will put the storm cloud directly above Kitten. Next, what we want to do is code Kitten. So we're going to go to the yellow category again, but instead of the green start flag that we've used lots of times, we're actually going to use this block here, which is a start on tap block, which means when we physically tap the character on the screen, that will start its program. So we're then going to go to the blue category to select the right movement block because we want Kitten to run away from the storm to the right. Then we're going to select the end of program block from the red category. Now Kitten is currently at 10 on the horizontal axis. Let's get them to move to 20. So let's change that 1 to a 10 by clicking on it. Opens up the number pad and there we go. So let's turn the grid off. Let's press the green flag and see what happens. What we're expecting to see is the storm cloud to move across independently on its own once I press the green flag, and Kitten not to do anything until I actually press them with my finger. So let's try. So green flag, storm cloud goes across, fantastic. Now nothing's happening, I touch Kitten and off they go. Fantastic, let's reset that. So green flag starts it, storm cloud moves, I then tap Kitten and off they go. Fantastic. Let's reset and look at that on full screen. So I press the green flag, storm cloud goes across, I press Kitten, and then off they go to run and shelter from the storm. Again, we can make the screen small again. And if we need to do any editing, we can do there. Well done, everyone.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.